Hello, creative souls, and welcome to Craft Drawer. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead. We're diving into the world of digital printables. Are you an artist, designer, educator, or simply someone with a passion for creating? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to explore 50 ways to make money online with printables. Let's get started. Our adventure begins with this fantastic ebook, 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables. It's your key to unlocking the endless opportunities within the digital printable marketplace. In this book, we'll explore the incredible world of digital printables and discover 50 innovative strategies that can turn your creativity into cash. This ebook is a treasure trove of insights, stories, and actionable advice that will empower you to take that first step into creative entrepreneurship. Let's dive right into it. Inside the ebook, you'll discover a comprehensive guide to 50 unique strategies for creating, marketing, and selling digital printables. We're talking everything from planners and artwork to educational resources and more. Here, we'll highlight some of the most popular types of printables that you can consider creating: planners and organizers. Daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly planners are in high demand. Specialized planners for fitness, budgeting, travel, and more are also popular. Worksheets and workbooks, educational printables, including math worksheets, language exercises, and workbooks for various subjects and age groups, are essential for teachers, parents, and students. Invitations and stationery, event planners, hosts, and individuals often see customizable printable invitations for parties, weddings, and special occasions. Our prints and wall decor offer downloadable artwork, posters, and framed prints for home and office decor. Themes can vary from motivational quotes to abstract art. Recipe cards and cookbooks. Cooks and food enthusiasts appreciate well-designed recipe cards and complete cookbooks for organizing their culinary adventures. Coloring pages, popular for both adults and children. Coloring pages provide a creative outlet and relaxation. Business templates, entrepreneurs and professionals may seek printable business templates like business cards, invoices, and resumes. Plus, so many more printables that you can create. The beauty of this book is that it's not just about listing strategies. You'll also have the opportunity to learn from successful entrepreneurs who've already carved their path in the digital printable marketplace. Their stories are truly inspiring. Now, if you're wondering how to craft your own stunning printables, this book has you covered. From design tips and pricing guidance to legal considerations, it equips you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in this creative industry. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, there's practical advice in here that will elevate your creations and your business. Here's the best part: digital printables are accessible to everyone. No matter your background or experience level, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling an existing one, it's time to take your entrepreneurial dreams seriously. The world of digital printables is at your fingertips, and 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables is your guide to unlock its vast potential. With 50 strategies, insights from successful entrepreneurs, and guidance on mastering the art of printables, you have the tools to turn your creativity into a source of income. A little more information about the book. Unlock the secrets to profitable digital printable ventures. Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables is your ultimate guide to building a successful and rewarding online business through the world of digital printables. Discover endless opportunities. Explore 50 innovative and proven strategies for creating, marketing, and selling digital printables, from planners and artwork to educational materials and beyond. Learn from expert insights. Gain valuable insights from successful entrepreneurs who have carved their paths in the digital printable marketplace. Discover their inspiring journeys and how you can follow in their footsteps. Master the art of printables Unleash your creativity with tips on design, pricing, marketing, and legal considerations. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie, this book will equip you with the knowledge and tools to thrive in this dynamic industry. Empower your entrepreneurial dreams. No matter your background or experience level, you can harness the power of digital printables to create a flexible and fulfilling income stream. Get started today. Your journey into the world of digital printables begins here. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling an existing business, this ebook will be your trusted companion on the path to success. Enter the world of 50 ways to make money online with printables. This comprehensive book is your gateway to understanding the diverse avenues available in the digital printable marketplace. We'll take a closer look at what this book offers and how it can empower you to achieve financial independence and creative fulfillment. Don't miss out on the digital revolution. Take your first step toward financial independence and creative fulfillment. Get your copy of 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables and embark on an exciting entrepreneurial adventure today. One of the standout features of this book is its exploration of 50 unique and proven strategies for creating, marketing, and selling digital printables. It's a treasure trove of ideas. Whether you're new to the digital marketplace or looking to diversify your income streams, with insights into the digital printable landscape, you'll uncover the strategies that best match your creative talents. Learn from successful entrants. The book offers more than just strategies. It provides valuable insights from successful entrepreneurs who have carved their paths in the digital printable marketplace. By reading their inspiring journeys, you can learn from their experiences and apply their lessons to your own creative endeavors. Their stories serve as a source of motivation and guidance as you build your own digital printable business. Master the art of printables. Creating beautiful and effective printables is a skill that this book helps you hone. From design tips to pricing guidance and legal considerations, it equips you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the digital printable industry. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer, you'll find practical advice that will elevate your creations and your business. Empower your entrepreneurial dreams. The beauty of digital printables is that they're accessible to individuals from all backgrounds and experience levels. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling an existing business, this book empowers you to take the first step toward your entrepreneurial dreams. The digital revolution has leveled the playing field, and now is your time to shine. Your journey into the world of digital printables begins with this ebook. It's a valuable resource that you can reference at any stage of your entrepreneurial adventure. Whether you're setting up shop on platforms like Etsy or starting your own website, this ebook is your trusted companion as you navigate the exciting and evolving digital landscape. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, the opportunities for creative entrepreneurs are limitless. 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables is your comprehensive guide to unlock those opportunities. By exploring the book's 50 strategies, learning from successful entrepreneurs, and mastering the art of creating digital printables, you're on the path to achieving both financial independence and creative fulfillment. Don't let your creative potential go untapped. Start your journey today and embrace the power of digital printables to shape a brighter future. Get your copy of 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables and embark on an exciting entrepreneurial adventure. Buy now and start your journey. You should consider getting the ebook 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables for a variety of compelling reasons. Unlock endless potential. This book is your gateway to exploring a world of possibilities in the digital printable marketplace. With 50 innovative strategies, it empowers you to discover new ways to leverage your creativity for profit. Learn from successful entrepreneurs. The book isn't just about strategies. It offers insights and stories from successful entrepreneurs who have already found their niche in the digital printable world. You can gain valuable knowledge and inspiration from their experiences. Master the art of printables, whether you're a seasoned designer or new to the craft. This book equips you with the knowledge and tools to create stunning printables. It covers design tips, pricing strategies, and legal considerations. Empower your entrepreneurial dreams. Digital printables offer a level playing field for individuals from all backgrounds and experience levels. Whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling an existing business, this book empowers you to turn your creative passion into a thriving income stream. Comprehensive and practical, the book provides practical, actionable advice that can be implemented immediately. It's a comprehensive guide that covers all aspects of digital printables, making it suitable for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. Stay ahead of the digital revolution. In today's digital age, the opportunities for creative entrepreneurship are boundless. With the guidance in this book, you can leverage the digital revolution to your advantage and tap into a lucrative market. Your path to financial independence. If you've ever dreamed of achieving financial independence by doing what you love, this book is your roadmap to making that dream a reality. It offers strategies to transform your creativity into a source of income. Flexibility and fulfillment. Digital printables offer a flexible way to earn money while pursuing your passion. You can create products that resonate with a global audience, all while maintaining the freedom to work on your own terms. Start your journey today. Your journey into the world of digital printables begins with this book. Whether you're setting up shop on e-commerce platforms, launching your own website, or expanding your existing business, this book will be your trusted companion along the way. Empowering creative minds. If you're a creative soul looking for an avenue to express your talents, connect with a global audience, and monetize your passions, this book is your guide to realizing your creative potential. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, the opportunities for creative entrepreneurs are limitless. 50 Ways to Make Money Online with Printables is your comprehensive guide to unlock those opportunities. It's an investment in your creative potential, entrepreneurial dreams, and financial future. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get your copy today and start your journey toward creative entrepreneurship. So, are you ready to start your journey into the world of digital printables? Don't let your creative potential go untapped. Get your copy of this book and let your entrepreneurial dreams take flight. The link is in the video description below. Thank you for joining us today at Craft Drawer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep creating and keep dreaming. See you soon.